all. Myself, Kapil Migrani, I'm the co-founder and chief executive officer of Econaur. And today we have gathered on this information seminar on Green Card Connect. As everyone is connected with Econaur, we are coming up with a new drive to educate and aware the people more about the sustainable developments in the green building space and the new technologies which are coming up in the sustainability domain as well. So in this session today, we are going to discuss about all the past developments of Econaur, how we have supported the industry in the green building domain, and the new initiatives which we are coming up. Majorly, it is the Green Card Connect drive, and we are coming up with some new training modules for the industry, for the community, for the individuals, for all the building professionals, and definitely it will be taking a good turn in the upcoming 1 year. It's just a start, but definitely it's going to be huge. It can be only can be executed only with your support. So we are looking for your contribution. So now I will start my presentation explaining you about Econaur. If some people are not knowing about Econaur yet, we will be definitely explaining about that. And if anyone has questions after the end of the presentation, definitely you can add in the comment section in the chat bot as well. So we will be definitely answering that in the comment section as well. So now I will start my presentation. So Green Card. Green Card is a drive to connect with the community and raise awareness about the sustainability. So we have started this Green Card Connect recently, and in the upcoming slides, you'll be able to understand more about Green Card Connect. So who are aware about Econaur and some are not aware about the Econaur who has joined this session today. Just explaining more about Econaur again. Econaur is India's first integrated platform for green building solutions. Econaur is a unit of Pragati Sustainable Building Services Private Limited. That's a legal identity. It was founded with the objective of bringing all the stakeholders working in the field of sustainability on a single platform and work together for shared benefits and a greener future. We aim to become the synonym of sustainable solutions in India, and working from last 5 years, we are doing it continuously. Our vision is to create a world where sustainable living is the norm and businesses can thrive in harmony with the environment. We strive to be a leader in the green energy industry by leveraging technology and partnerships to provide sustainable solutions that are accessible and affordable to all. Our vision is clear that we want to support the industry, and being an online platform, being an India's first integrated platform for green building solutions, we are able to do this by providing all the solutions, all the resources and the guidance for making a green building effectively. Our mission stands the same. At Econaur, our mission is to make sustainable living accessible and achievable for everyone. We are committed to provide innovative and eco-friendly solutions for the built environment with a focus on reducing carbon footprints and promoting energy efficiency by leveraging technology and partnerships with industry experts. We aim to create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Our goal is to empower businesses to make environmentally responsible choices and to help build a better, greener world. And how we are intend to fulfill this mission? Through a one-stop integrated platform for green building solutions and the community of stakeholders like you. Without your support, we are not able to do this. And for the last 5 years, we get an immense support from all the industry stakeholders in making this mission more accomplished. Yes, we need to go very far, but yes, we get some success in the meantime. We definitely, without the support, an organization can't be exist. So we definitely got a very good support from the private organizations, non-profit organizations, government organizations. So we are well connected and associated with Indian Association of Energy Management Professionals. We have completed 2 campaigns and events with them. We are already the part of SEED, that's an accelerator by United Nations Environment Program. We got a grant in 2021. We are also connected and active member of Mission Sustainable India. That's an initiative by some of the green building consultants of India and the former president of Indian Association of Energy Management Professionals and my mentor, Mr. Sunil Sood, sir. Also, we are connected with the Association of Green Industries and Services. We are the part of Griya Shiksha Kendra. We also got incubated by Rajasthan Government Startup Program. We are also connected with Eco Ideas. We are the organization member of Youth for Sustainability India Alliance. We are also the part and participated in Smart Cities Council. We are incubated by NASSCOM 10,000 startups. We are also well connected with GEM SOCHM Green Building Council. We are also the incubator of iHub, that is the Gujarat government incubation program for startups. So we got a very good support from all these associations, and there are many more which we are connected and we get a support, which includes the Air Conditioning Society of India, Electrical Society of India, Indian Plumbing Associations, and Fire Security Association of India as well. Our partner brands, we are well connected with the industry leaders. We are already working with Danfoss, we are working with AIS Windows, we are working with JCB AirTech divisions, and we are the first one to introduce the new solutions by O2 Cure on our platform. Also, we are presenting waterless urinals by Econaur. So there are more than 100 plus categories which we have highlighted through our platforms, and we have partnered with more than 80 plus product manufacturing companies, and all these product companies are sustainable product companies, and they are making some innovations in making a sustainable and energy efficient buildings. We have identified the products in major 8 categories, starting from air quality to building envelope, to energy efficiency, to interior and finishing, water efficiency, natural cleaning, waste management, and new sustainable technologies. Along with that, we have identified the products in 800 plus subcategories as well. So broader 8 categories and 80 plus subcategories we have. So through our partners, we are highlighting these solutions, providing consultancy, guidance in understanding about the solution. We are not a marketplace. We are not here to sell the product. We are just helping you to understand the product. So this is our intention. With this intention, all our partner companies are associated with us, and they are helping the community to understand about this. So the impact you can see Econaur has created so far. We have 50,000 plus subscribers. We are connected with more than 2 lakh plus building professionals, which consist of architects, consultants, chief engineers, or facility managers, builders, owners, structure engineers, civil engineers. We are well connected with them, and we have served more than 8,000 plus projects. We have provided the solutions, we have provided the products, we have provided the consultancy in more than 750 plus projects so far. And we have directly and indirectly contributed in more than 8,000 plus projects, and even the number is numerously increasing from the last 5 years. We are soon to touch the 10,000 plus mark, and we are happy to do that continuously with our partners' support and the able team of Econaur. So these are some of the initiatives we have taken so far. Monday Flashback, it's a flagship story section of Econaur where we are highlighting the various stories of our old heritage architecture, that how it is sustainable. So every Monday we do that. Friday Showcase, we don't just list a product on Econaur. Whenever we launch, it's a very grand event, launching a session, launching a product on Econaur. So we launch a product on every Friday in the Friday Showcase. So today also we are launching a new product, that is the Magic Mist by Galaxy Energy Solutions. It's a revolutionary product. that helps in cooling our compressor air conditioner. So it increases uh, the energy efficiency of the air conditioner. It is mostly compatible for the VRA and the split air conditioners. So more you can see, you can check our platform today. You can check our social media channels to understand more about the solutions which we are launching today. So Friday Showcase, we launch every week a new solutions. Greenathon, it's a month-long fest. We started last year. We felicitated prominent professionals, highlighted the various stories, launched our new solutions. Sustainability Awards is the flagship event of Econaur. From the last 3 years, we are continuously doing this, and we organized first on the occasion of Earth Day last in 2019, and till now more than 500 organizations participated in the awards, and we are happy to recognize their efforts. Century Challenge. It was a challenge to aware the people about not using scent solutions, focus on the Sentry Challenge. We also organized Green Marathon. Recently, we have organized Green Card Fest. So, a lot of new initiatives we have taken so far. And this is a glimpse of Econaur Sustainability Awards we have conducted in 2019, 2021, 2022. More than 500 organizations participated so far, such as ITC Hotels. We are proud to accept that more than 10 ITC Hotels participated us in the awards so far, and we are well connected with their team. We are connected with Hayat, we are connected with Hindalco. We are also given the awards to Jodhpur railway stations. We have also given award to Mumbai International Airport. So many organizations are participated with us. It means the green awareness is raising, and these all these efforts by these stations also tell that they are also more concerned about this. So being a consultancy platform, Econaur is proudly associated with these associations, these organizations, and we are supporting in the cause. 2 years back, we have also launched our own blogging platform, that is the prakatistory.com. It has exclusive stories related to sustainability, green buildings. We have product reviews. We have highlighted more than 50 product reviews by different product companies and others. And also we are highlighting the sustainable news, the new developments, some technical learnings as well, the case studies as well related to various solutions and technologies. So the Prakati story is working with this name aligned. It's the stories for the Prakriti, for our nature. So this is also an initiative of Econaur. So here we are discussing about the green card. Might be some other subscriber of green card. Uh, it's an e-card for industry professionals and individuals to support them in making their building sustainable by providing them exclusive offers, discounts, technical consultation, and guidance by our partners in making a new product or a project. And they can take 6 months membership or an annual plan membership. Green Card Connect is the next step to aware more people. Definitely, they will be the part of Green Card member community, but definitely they are getting a lot more. So this is a Green Card kit, which it's a demonstration of a indication of a kit. We have given this kit to only 500 members, and soon we are rolling out again. Here you can see the physical green card, which is given, what are the offerings provided by our partners to take. When you take the green card membership, you will definitely get a lot of solutions. You get a 30 minutes free consultancy, you get access to our courses, you get access to a lot of things and a guidance, and even you get a free project consultation on a one project to make it a green building. So now we are starting a green card connect drive. we have three modules through which we can connect with the industry and guide them, train them about the green buildings. So we are coming up with individual trainings, that is a community drive, which comprises of training for building professionals and support. So we'll be having a training of 6 hours. We'll be understanding of building standards, energy conservation building code. Also, the person can take the refresher course 3 times in an year. So the person who participate in the individual trainings, every month we are going to conduct a training or 2 times also. So the person which enrolls for one time training, they can attend 3 trainings in an year. Also get access to the product presentation by our partners. So whenever we conduct a training, we'll be definitely having some good product presentation to have a technical understanding about the solution. Also, the individual get a green card subscription for an year, so you get all the support for an year as well. And we are also coming up with more than 50 courses in Econaur Learning Academy. In the later slides, you will be able to understand more about it. Organization trainings, it's another part. So the organizations which want to train their employees, their teammates, their design team, their construction team, their civil engineers, their facility managers, we have defined the training modules for them. So the training will be organization centric business building standard. So if the organization is a factory or an industry, we are providing the training modules as per the industry standards. If the organization is a hotel or a hospitality sector, we'll be highlighting the different things related to uh, the hospitality sector. And if the building is a commercial building or it's a corporate, definitely we'll be highlighting the training modules as per the corporate structure. So we'll be definitely highlighting about the green building certification. They can have a repetitive courses online as well as offline 2 times. Product presentations. So if the organizations allows 3 or 4 product partners to come and choose the topics, so we will arrange the training by our partners accordingly. So all the participants of the organizations who participated in the training module, they get a free green card for 1 year. So all the participants will get a green card subscription for an year. Third is an outreach drive for product presentation. So it's an outreach drive. We'll be having a lot of product presentations, understanding the technical part of the product, that how that product is contributing in the sustainability domain and how it is making a energy efficient building. So we'll be having a different module. We'll be understanding all the technical aspects of the product, interaction with the product execution and service team, and other support in material selection. So this is the third part. So with this Green Card Connect drive, today I announced this open, and our team is now starting its activities to reach out to the industry and understand their requirement. And every month we are conducting some trainings. So by the end of this month, in the first week of September, that is 1st and 2nd of September 2023, we are having a first online training related to sustainability and green buildings. In the later slides, we will understand the syllabus of the Green Card Connect Drive. So anyone has questions, please put in the chat bar and our team will definitely answer you. In the comment section also, you can add your questions, and definitely our team will answer all the questions as soon as possible. So Econaur has also taken an initiative in launching sustainability courses by Econaur Learning Academy. We have launched a lot of courses related to water conservation techniques, carbon emission, how to reduce heat waves, cool roofing, energy efficiency, introduction to energy conservation building code, and a lot more. So with the Green Card Connect, you will be able to access more than 50 plus courses free of cost. Once you subscribe with the Green Card Connect Drive, you will be able to access all these courses free of cost in the span of 1 year. So that is all the hard work Econaur team has does. The courses has different modules. The time duration of each and every course is more than 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now let us understand what kind of training modules we are going to understand. Definitely, we try to provide the overall assistance in the green buildings learning. So everyone has different requirements. Some building professional has a different requirement. Some individual has some different requirements. So accordingly, we will be supporting. So training modules starting from understanding about the green buildings, what exactly a green building is, what are the different rating available uh, in the India. We'll be also understanding about the Econaur, that is a residential code by Government of India, Bureau of Energy Efficiency launched it in 2019. We'll be also understanding about the energy conservation building code. More than 25 states had made it mandatory now, and government is coming up with some other code as well. So we'll be also understanding about the various components of building, understanding about the various building materials, and also now people are worried about what exactly a carbon auditing is, what are the analyses involved in the carbon auditing, and also there are some pollution control norms which people are not understanding so far. So the objective of these training modules is to aware you about these topics, and we are definitely adding more and more topics in the training modules. And with the Econaur Learning Academy, we are coming up with this because sustainability is a vast domain. We can't cover up in a single training. That is why we will be briefing you in the training about the basic concept related to the sustainable buildings and uh, the things which you need to understand more. That is the government norms and government codes. Also, with the Economic Learning Academy, you will be having a deep dive understanding about the various courses. So the courses objective is to train you more about the specific subject. So in the later slides, we will definitely tell you that what kind of courses we are going to develop. So in the green buildings and various components of green building along with product selection. So in this module, in the training, when we conduct the training, we'll be guiding you about the green buildings. These are some of the modules. Let us see the structure and syllabus of the modules. We'll be guiding you about the green building concept, what are the various challenges, what are the various ratings, and along with that, in each and every module, we'll be also focusing on the product selection. What kind of material that can be used in that, what kind of product can be used in that. So introduction to sustainable building and concept. In this, we will be understanding the definition of sustainable building, what exactly a green building is, and the green building principles, environmental, economic, and social benefits of sustainable buildings, also global and local context of sustainable building and practices. In the second module, we'll be understanding about the environmental consideration in building design, definition of sustainable building and green building principles, and the building design considerations will be covered in that part. In the indoor environmental quality and health, we'll be focusing on the indoor air quality and ventilation strategies, daylighting and artificial lighting efficiency, thermal comfort and occupancy well-being, biophilic design and connection to nature. In the energy efficient building design, we will be able to understand passive design principles for energy savings, high performance insulation and windows, efficient lighting and appliances, net zero energy and carbon neutral building concept. So everyone is saying about the net zero. So let us understand that net zero energy is not about not consuming any energy. It is just coming at a break even, generating the energy on its own and not using outside energy. So in this module, we'll be able to understand more about this concept. Water efficiency and management module, we'll be able to understand about the various water efficient fixtures and plumbing systems, rainwater harvesting and grey water recycling, sustainable landscaping and irrigation, stormwater management strategies, low impact building materials and alternatives, green construction practices and techniques, building envelope design for energy and resource efficiency, waste reduction and recycling in construction. In another modules, we'll be understanding about the case studies and innovative technologies, which has a real world example of sustainable building projects, cutting edge technologies for energy management and efficiency, smart building system and IoT applications. In the eighth module, we'll be understanding about the building codes and regulations for sustainability, local and international green building codes and standards, compliance with energy and environmental regulations, incentives and policies promoting sustainable building and practices. In the ninth module, we'll be understanding the building performance monitoring and maintenance, which comprises of importance of ongoing monitoring and post-occupancy evaluation, energy and water consumption tracking, preventing maintenance for sustainable systems. In the 10th module, we'll be understanding the future trends in global sustainability. What are the emerging trends in sustainable architecture and design, climate resilience and adaptation strategies for buildings, global perspective on sustainable building practices. So all these things we are able to understand in these modules. So this is by understanding and taking the part in the training sessions, you will be definitely able to understand about this. So now we will just understand about the energy conservation building code. Uh, People are not able to understand properly about what exactly ECBC is, how to overcome the challenges in the ECBC segment and all the things, other things as well. Sorry. So the energy conservation building code is a code that sets minimum energy efficiency standards for commercial buildings in India. It aims to provide energy efficiency in building design, construction and operation. The ECBC provides guidelines and requirements for various aspects of building design and systems to ensure reduced energy consumption and environmental impact. Currently, ECBC 2017 is followed and is mandatory in 25 plus states in India for new commercial buildings having a connected load of more than 100 kilowatt or 120 kVA, which is having a conditioned area, more focus on the conditioned area. So that's a code which sets a minimum energy efficiency standard. It's not only about a sustainable building or a green building. It focuses on the energy parameters only. So what are the inclusions in the ECBC 2017? It focuses on the building envelope, requirement for insulation of roofs, walls and windows to minimize heat gain or loss. It also has guidelines for fenestration designed to optimize natural lighting and reduce heat transfer. It has also focuses on lighting systems such as specifications for energy efficient lighting design and fixtures. It also has recommendations for using daylighting to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Also focuses on the HVAC systems, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning, which sets standards for energy efficient HVAC equipment and systems. It also focuses on the guidelines for HVAC load calculations, system design, and control strategies. So in the training modules, we'll be covering all these parts to make you understand about these concepts as well. So it also focuses on the electrical systems, requirement for energy efficient electrical distribution and utilization systems, recommendation for efficient use of electrical appliances and equipment, renewable energy integration, guidelines to use the renewable energy resources such as solar photovoltaic systems into building design. It also focuses on the building control, building management system and automation. It also focuses on the building orientation and design. It also focuses on the building material and construction, what kind of building material you are choosing. It also sets recommendation for energy efficient building materials and construction techniques to focus on the efficient use of the building material. Water heating systems. It also sets standards for the guidelines for energy efficient water heating system, including solar water heating. Also, the compliances are simple. ECBC master trainer or a ECBC accredited professional by the state governments are able to authorize that building is ECBC compliant or not. So if you are a building professional, you can also take that exam and you can also certify the buildings if you are understanding all these norms effectively and certify the building that they are as per the standards of ECBC. So if you want to make your building your project ECBC, follow these guidelines and you can definitely do that. If any support required from Econaur, we are here to provide you all the assistance. So carbon audit and analysis. So people are worried that what is the carbon rating system going on and how we can overcome that. So carbon audit and analysis are processes that involve accessing and quantifying the carbon emissions and greenhouse gas emissions associated with an organization's activity, product, or process. The goal of a carbon audit is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the carbon footprint, which refers to the total amount of GHG emissions, primarily carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere as a result of human activities. So carbon audit and analysis play a crucial role in understanding an entity's contribution to climate change and serve as a foundation for making informed decisions to reduce carbon emissions and mitigate the environmental impact. So the focus is only to lower down the carbon emission, lower down the usage, the emission of the carbon dioxide, and focuses on the more sustainable parameters. So it just analyzes that how much carbon your uh, project or your facility is generating and how you can reduce that. So in the training modules, definitely we are able to discuss. So the first module is to introduction to carbon audit and analysis. Second module comprises of carbon footprint assessment. The third module is the emission factors and conversion factors. The fourth module is carbon audit methodologies. The fifth module is tools and software for carbon analysis. Module 6, inventory and data management. Module 7 comprises of carbon reduction strategies. Module 8 stands for carbon offsetting and compensation. Module 9 stands for carbon reporting and communication. Module 10 we'll be discussing the case studies and practical applications. Module 11 we'll be discussing about the carbon audit challenges and future trends. Module 12 we'll be discussing about the regulatory framework and compliances of making a smart effective carbon reducing project building or a project. So this is about the various modules which we are going to discuss during the training sessions which we are starting, and we are looking forward to have your support in joining the training sessions. So register today. We are starting the registrations open from today onwards for the training program, and do register and be the part of the green card uh, community of Econaur and contribute in the sustainable development. Also, you get a support from our partners as well. We are connected with 80 plus product companies. You can see a lot of products at Econaur. So we'll be having some sessions by our partners, so you can see some exclusive and innovative products by our partners, such as chiller and heat pumps efficiency solutions by Hydromex. Some are using heat pumps, some are using chiller at their plants, at their projects, at their buildings. So definitely it's contributing a lot in the electricity consumption. So there's some solutions called as Hydromex by one of our partner, and which helps in increasing the efficiency. Also, we have rainwater harvesting and solutions by InRain Constructions. We have roof coating and glass coating by Vinayak Industries. We'll be also having a session on building monitoring and testing solutions by Testo. It's a world leader in testing and energy auditing equipments. Air filtration and monitoring solutions by Clarco Air Solutions, the very good startup based in Bangalore. We have also air distribution and ventilation solutions by Ashberg Ventilation Solution. It's a made in India air distribution product company based in Ludhiana. We have some excellent solution developed by Urdhvam, which helps in borewell recharging. So we can have a session on borewell recharging solutions by Urdhvam. Also, we are connected with Enlight, which is a leader in the BMS solutions. They have a patented product on the BMS, wireless BMS solutions. So we can have a session on building management solutions by Enlight as well. So lot more things you are getting just being a part of the Green Card Connect. So being a startup, I request you to support us and take the benefit of all the new initiative which we have started. New courses coming up in ELA. More than 25 courses we are launching in the upcoming 3 to 4 months. You can see some good courses such as Introduction to Green Building Concepts, Life Cycle Analysis, Passive Design Principle for Energy Savings, Water Efficiency and Conservation in Green Buildings, Sustainable Site Selection and Planning, Energy Efficiency Strategy in Building Design, Renewable Energy Integration in Buildings. Some courses we are already having, such as understanding about the insulation, ventilation solutions, energy conservation, building code, waterless urinal. We are already having more than 10 plus courses at Econaur currently, and we are coming up with more than 25 plus courses in the upcoming 4 months. So take the benefit as soon as possible. So now we are going to discuss about the Green Card Connect, how you can be the part of Green Card Connect. If you are an individual, that's an opportunity to participate in the upcoming training program that we are going to have on 1st and 2nd September 2023. That is on Friday and Saturday. We are starting the live session from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And not to worry, if you miss the session, you will get the recorded webinar and recorded session as well. And if you have any questions and challenges, you can again connect with our team and we will have a direct conversation with you, with the trainer as well. So by participating in the training, the participant can attend 3 trainings in a span of 1 year. If you are registering for 1 training, you can access to 3 trainings in a span of 3 years. If you want to have a refresher course, you want to understand more about the new topics, that is the advantage. Get latest update on new products and guidance regularly for an year. The participant can access to recording of the session. If you are registered for that specific training, definitely you will get the recording of the session and you can get access to all the learnings. Certificate of training completion will be provided to all the participants. You have the access to connect with our 80 plus product manufacturing companies, the technical team as well. You can got also access to 50 plus courses by Econaur Learning Academy in a span of 1 year and get 1 project support for a year. So if you are making a green building, Econaur team will help you in making that project green certified by providing all the solutions in that. So that's an early bird offer. The registration price of the training session is 4,999, but we are giving you an early bird offer. If you register before 20th of August 2023, You will get the course at 3499 only. So what are you waiting for? Register today for the session. This offer is valid to all the existing green card holders and all the new people. Grab it and we are at your service. So thank you everyone. We are open for all the support for all your queries. So you can mail us your queries. You can enter all your queries in the comment box. If you are watching from YouTube, if you are attending the live session, you can enter your queries in the chat bot, and we will definitely assist you with your query. We are looking forward to have connect with you and get your support in making green buildings. So thank you everyone. Do register for the Green Card Connect drive. Select your module. If you are an organization, we can have a discussion separate with you and provide you uh, the support. Also in the comment and the link description, there is a feedback form. Please fill this form if you want to know more about the learning uh, modules, the training modules, and our team will reach out to you then. Thank you everyone for joining the session today. This was Kapil Migrani from Econaur. Thank you.